Hola, hola, bienvenidos to Budget Talkie Testimonios. My name is Oli. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for being here. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you. And this is the journey towards a debt-free lifestyle. So we are really working on cutting down those debts. So let's get started. Hi friends, today we are working on our Elephant 5K from the Thrifty Practitioner. So let's get all set up. All right, I think that works. Yeah. So we're into March. Yay, March. And let me get my cheat sheet up here. And my other cheat sheet. I can put it over here. Yeah, that works. That works. And we're starting with our gnomes from Judy. Save with Judy. Y'all, do you know she has released the new ones for the next quarter? Oh, y'all, sorry. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so there are our $10. 6, 10. And thus far we have 20, 40, 60, 80, and the 10 makes it 90. I'm like, why do I have that there? That's for the next $5, friends. I'm like, oh my gosh. Which are still Judy's for it. Save with Judy around the board clockwise. Save 25 a month. We're starting with these ones right. No, we're coming this way, right? Like that. Clockwise. So $5, I'm going to place them in here. Okay, there we go. So in total for this, we have 10. So 20, 40, 50, $5. So $55 right here. And moving on to our next one, which is, I'm doing a combination of saving for Down Syndrome Awareness Day, which is March 21st, and Easter. But since Easter's in April, I'm kind of going to focus on this one first. And for this, I'm rolling a D3, I believe. Yes, D3 to see how much is going to be going in here. There we go. Yeah, I need more space. Let me move this out of the way. Much better. Okay, so we have allotted a total of $15 for this. For a combo between Easter and the March 21st World Down Syndrome Day. It's not a disability, it's a different ability. So raising awareness for Down syndrome. And my goal is only to fill in the 21 hearts that represents that 21st chromosome where there's that extra chromosome. So let's see. Oh, I need a writing device. And that's a 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, a 3. 1, 2, 3. another 3, 1, 2, 3, and one more time, a 1. And I have $2 left, so I'm gonna go look to see if I have something in the Easter for $2. And I do, I have these $2 right here. So let's go right in. And do those $2 right here. Perfect. That worked. $2. And we have, so these right here are from my Ko-fi shop. Budget Talkie Testimonios. They're free downloads for Easter. And this one is also from my Ko-fi shop. I created this one. I'm a Down syndrome mama. So far we have a total of 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, $25. And you know what? Let me make some change right here. So 25, and I'll take these. Perfect. Perfect. And once I'm done with this one, then I'm going to really concentrate on the Easter. So Easter's kind of being my catch-all, so I don't go into IOUs with this one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hearts filled out. Perfect. 9 out of 21. All right, so our next one is going to be Saving with Greta from Agape Book Club. So we're now starting on the March ones right here. So that is very neat. And for this, we set aside $4. So we're going to start with the highest nomination, $4. And let's stick to the green, the March green, right? There we go. Oops. $4 into this one. And every time I fill each month with Greta, for Greta's, I pull them out. So let's put in the $4. And now with Brooklyn Nail Saves with Lourdes, we're filling one in, $1 in here. We set aside $1 for one circle. I just designated $1 a circle. And this one is, you know, quarterly, so slowly, little by little. Once it's done, I'll pull it out. And so far with Lourdes, we have $7. Okay, now we're moving into the 12-month collab from Noreli's Budgets, hosted by Noreli's Budgets. We've done Beige and Girl Budgets, Oh Mama Budgets, that was February, and March is Overthinking and Budgeting. And for this, we set aside $10. So let's make sure we have 10 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So perfect. And I'm thinking I'm gonna get the higher ones up here. So let's see, $10. So let's do this 4, 4, and 4. That's 8. And we'll grab a 2 for a total of $10. So this one right here will give us $51. This one I'm going to be assigning $1 each. So that's going to give us $12. And this is Plinko, so it depends on where we land. But Plinko's probably going to be the last one that I focus on. But for now, we have $10 for this first week of March. And again, this is from Overthinking and Budgeting. Now, our next one is from No Bucks Given. Oh, where is it? Oh, right here. Oh, Chuck, see, like, I didn't cover the... Ugh. Did you understand that? I put it on the wrong one. Anyhow, we're here in March, and for March, we are saving a total of $17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right, so we're saving one flower and the M. I love that the thrifty practitioner put it together that way. So one flower and the M. So each flower here are $5. So we're doing one flower and each letter is $1. So that's $6. So 5, 6, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that makes $17. That makes sense. She did all the thinking for us, y'all. So here we go. It's the whole first row. $17 going into March. Perfect. Now the next one is also from the Thrifty Practitioner. In her Elephant 5K overall download, she uses the Wednesday, like the hump, the camel. But instead of doing that, I decided to, I really liked when she put this one out. It's a separate freebie that she has. So I'm using the Catastic, have a Catastic Year. And I'm using this and Tobin Budget's play. Oh, I'm sorry. But yeah, so total is $12. I put 10 into the Catastic Year and 2 into Tobin's. So that's $2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So perfect. So let's see which one I'm going to do. And what I did with this one, y'all, I printed back, front and back, just to save on my cardstock. But it's kind of one of those things that like, oh, now I have to wait until I complete front and back. Because I am pulling, this one is another one that I'm just pulling out as soon as I am completed with the front and back, because I need access to the font. So far I have completed these two, which are $1 each, icon. So I need to complete the back. But I also have this one right here, which I'm done with this part. But I need to complete the back, and each one is $1 a letter. So I have 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you see? I still have quite a bit to go. So I could do this, or I could do 2, 3, 4, 8, and then next time another 8, and then I can pull these. What do y'all think? I think I'm gonna go with this one, because this one is gonna give us a good amount. So let's go ahead and color 10. So I need the pink one. 10. So this is 1. Oops. All right, so that's 10. So my 10 are right here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 more, y'all. Okay. But so far, for these, I have 20, 40, 60, 80, $90. That's not bad. That's not bad. But I still have some way to go. Okay, so that's that. Now, we're going in with Tobin Budgets right here. And for Tobin Budgets, we are doing $1 each item that I color. So right here I have $2. This one is going to be a slow and steady, and because once I'm done with this side, I'm going to do probably roll and saves on this side. So I'm not in a rush for this one. So I have $2. One. And up to now with toe bean, we have saved 10, 15, 16, 17, $18. That's not bad. That's really nice. It's going to be a slow one right here. Okay, so now we're going to move into our elephant. So the elephant, and this is from Toe Bean Budgets. And it's for 1,000 subbies on YouTube. And if you haven't checked her out, please do so. Very cool. Right here we have the Elephant 5K. And for the elephant, this week, we are saving $23. So let's get those 23. So I didn't have to put them in smaller amounts and dollar increments. Did I put that? Okay. Where is that 23? And we're going to color with the green. 23. Oh, right here. 23. And this, I am not pulling the funds until I am done with the whole, so at the end of the year, so to speak. And we should save $511. 2, 4, 60, 85, 91, 2, 3, 93. Not bad. There we go. I don't know if this is going to take us to the end of the month. I'm assuming it does. No sé. So perfect. My next one is my YouTube watch list, y'all. I don't put money aside for stuff that I watch. I just am keeping track of this. So I already did the Collab playlist for Diamond Budgets. The Sunday playlist, I'm actually done with this one too. And I started, which one was it? Oh my goodness, I can't remember what it was. But I started a different playlist. For boobs and boops, not boops, sorry. Boops and budget. This, I need to update it, but I am way beyond 95. I need to go count again, but I am like at 150. So I need to update this one right here. And the one I'm starting are Ahorrando con Elisa, CW, and Cynthia. Cynthia, I'm playing off and on. Okay, so the next, before we move on to our next one, let me go ahead and cross these out. So we're done with this, here, here, here. We're about to start this one, and we'll do that one too. So for the weekend, what I do with this, I'm not using Terra's. I'm using my 52 Fridays. So, but I am placing the amount, the $26 I am placing into this. And I have them right here. 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we can go ahead and grab March. And I'm going to start not with the highest one because I have 26, not $28. But I can do the 21 because if I do the 21 right now, I'll have $5 extra that I can push into next time when I bring in the 26. I don't know if that makes sense, but 21. Oh, that's a horrible coloring of that heart. So I have 21. And these 5, I'm going to carry, and I'm going to leave them here at the front. Next time I will have, instead of the 26, I'll have 31. I think, if I'm doing the math correctly. So that way I can do that one, and then the next time I can do probably both of those with whatever's left over. And I'll have extra funds because I'm not planning on going beyond March until I'm done with all my March savings. All right, so here we go. That one's done. This is done. And now the last part of this, y'all, is to save the copay. And for that, I set aside $20. And this Save the Copay is also from the Thrifty Practitioner, and she uses it as part of the Elephant 5K. But y'all, you can use this without, if you just want to save for the copays. I think this is a fantastic idea. It is for me, at least. Like, I was like, wow, this actually works. I am saving towards next year's copays. So I'm just gonna randomize it. I'm going to see who gets what. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, no, I don't want them in order. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is gonna tell me where to place, and the D3 is gonna tell me how much to place. 5 is 1, 2, 3. Yeah. On number 5 is 1. On number 3 is 1. Number 3 is 1. Number 1 is 5. 3, 4, 5. Number 2 is 3. Oh, that's perfect. 1 is 1. Come on. 4 and 6. Number 5 is 2. Number 2 is 2. And I'll do this on primary care. All right. So 5, 6, 2, 3, 1, and 4. Okay. So just so you know, I do not track these. I don't have a tracker for them. I'm just going by what's in here. So primary care received $1, and we have a total of 21 right now for primary care. Let me open these. Lula, I can hear Lula right outside the bedroom door. I closed it because I didn't want her to come in. She comes and lays down on the bed. Vision received $2, so far we have $32. But y'all, it's been raining and she just went outside and her paws are all muddy, and she won't let me clean her paws. So there you go. Therapy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have a total of 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, $35. Perfect. Wellness, I need to start using this one, y'all. Received a total of $5, and we have 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Nice. I can get 4 yoga sessions in here. Let's see. Dentist, nothing, but it has funds in there. And the last one is medication. Receive $5, and we have a total of 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 27. Nice. And that's it, friends. That's it. I am done with the Elephant 5K. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the content and you're not subscribed, I hope you consider subscribing. If you are subscribed and are a returning subscriber, oh, that's so redundant. Thank you for being here. All right, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.